Hello everybody, my name is Max, and in this video I will be telling you how to make chicken thighs in the oven. Now let's start with the ingredients and how to make this tasty meal. You will need 1 small onion, 1 medium-sized tomato, 1 green pepper, and 3 garlic cloves. Now we will cut them and put them in the food processor so that we can mix them. Now we'll mix them with a spoon so that we can make the sauce for our chicken thighs. Now put it in a bowl and make sure that your sauce looks like this. Now we will add 2 tablespoons oil, 2 tablespoons ketchup, 1 tablespoon pomegranate molasses, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Now we will add some spices. We will add salt, half teaspoon black pepper, half teaspoon cumin, 1 teaspoon coriander, half teaspoon garlic powder and half teaspoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon paprika. Add 1 teaspoon chicken spices, and this part, guys, is optional. Add 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon. Now mix well together until yours looks like somehow this. Now in an oven pan, line up sliced potatoes, add a pinch of salt and black pepper. Now for this recipe I used 3.5 pounds of chicken thighs. Now we'll start preparing the chicken thighs. Grab every piece of chicken, and now on the bottom of it, put on the sauce that we've made and line it up on the sliced potatoes. Now we'll put the sauce under the skin of the chicken. Like you see in the video. Now the leftover of the sauce we will put on top of our chicken, like you see in the video. Now after we prepared the chicken, we will add a little bit of water to the chicken, like you see in the video. Now we will cover the oven pan with aluminum foil. Now we'll put the chicken in an oven for 400 Fahrenheit degrees. After 45 minutes, take the aluminum foil off of the oven pan. And this is how our chicken looks like after it came out from the oven. Now after we left it in the oven for 60 to 70 minutes, You can put it on the broil to give it its gold color. And this is how our recipe looks like. As you can see, it looks very good and very tasty. You can offer this recipe with rice. This was our recipe for today. I hope that you like it, and I'm hoping that you try out this recipe sometime.